Hello everyone! Today is going to be a very different video. I know, as you can tell in the title, I'm doing a bathroom tour for you guys. About time, hey? So, sorry. I just wanted to kind of get it, I guess, perfect before I did this little video to show you what I got up to. And one thing that I did forget to do when I started renovating was I forgot to do a walkthrough video of the before of the bathroom. So I have the clips, so I took pics, and the pics would show bathroom renovation companies so we could design a plan. And then I don't know what I was thinking. I'm so excited because it took me ages to work out exactly what I wanted. And to be honest, I was trying to create this beautiful, relaxing day spa experience. And the whole experience of renovating the bathroom was not relaxing day spa. It was actually really stressful. Like going to different places, I just found like they just didn't get my creativeness, and it was all very stock standard. So for those that know me, know how creative I am and know how I love to do, I guess, a little bit of DIY. And yes, I'll show you my mirror that I made, because that was another thing. I couldn't find the right size or the right shape. And then when I actually found what I was looking for, I went, oh, like thousands of dollars, and I was like, I cannot justify paying thousands of dollars for a mirror in my bathroom. Anyway, so I had a look, and I'll throw the clips in here of the bathroom before the renovation, and then I'll take you on a little bathroom tour and explain to you all about why and what I got up to. That was the 1970s bathroom that I was dealing with. Nice gold framed mirror, nice gold accessories, tapware in the shower. Oh, that glass. One thing that I wanted in the new bathroom was to get rid of that glass. I just don't want to be spending time after you just had this beautiful shower cleaning glass. I was like, what is the point? I just spent all this time cleaning myself and nice and relaxed, and then I have to go and squidgy everything. It just didn't seem quite right. Okay, let me give you a bathroom tour. Let's go. So let's start with the tiles. The tiles are a really nice kind of, well, I like to say organic, but it's a little bit grainy. There's a little grain in there, and I made sure that the grout matched the tiles, because I'm not into seeing grout. Yeah, so I like it to be really calm. So part of my idea of renovating this bathroom was to make it a really relaxed room. And yes, I found my feature tiles. So behind here are my feature tiles that I went on about, but it did take a while to find them, so I'm very happy with that. And here is my mirror. I'm very excited to show you what I designed. But wait. How cool is that? So this is the mirror that you do your makeup in. So you've got light coming in all angles. I love it. Absolutely love it. It's such a mood. And just while I'm here, I put some downlights in up the top there, as you can see. I'll see if I can turn them on. There. I put these in up the top there, and they're actually censored, so when you walk into the bathroom at night, they will just automatically turn on, which is really nice, especially if you've got guest staying. I'll show you quickly around here. So it's got like this nice little timber frame on the back of it that holds the light. So when I actually do a proper, sorry, I just climbed into the palm tree. When I actually do a proper, here we are, proper bathroom renovation video, I'll actually explain to you how that was made. But I am so happy with this mirror. It just fits beautifully. Excuse the blinds, the Venetians. I did actually take them out of the spare room and put in here. And they looked white in the spare room, I am waiting for nice bright white shutters to go here, so that will happen soon, but I couldn't wait. I was too impatient to wait to have a shower, and I can't have a shower up there because the neighbors can all see, so I didn't want to do that to them. I've got the Timberline Vanity. Now that is a bit special because it's got the grey granite top, which is absolutely stunning, and you can't do anything to it, it's tough as. And then I've got these two beautiful little drawers, which they just pull out, and they've got the bamboo dividers in them, so handy. And these guys, I don't know why I put those in there, but they're towel nibs, and I got them from ABI. ABI, I can highly recommend their tapware, and I'll just show you. I did warn you, I don't do storage. I'm a real minimalist, so hence I will grab a couple of baskets and put under there at some stage, just to add some more towels. These are the really nice taps. Like, I'm happy with these taps. They're brushed nickel, and they just slide left and right for hot and cold, and they just are easy to use. And I'm loving my basins. They're a bit cute. Love that, because you never lose the plug. So there you go. And then I just have a little rolled towel on the side there to dry your hands. My little fake plant collection here. I'm gonna change it. The styling's not quite right yet. I will sort the styling out. Just for now, I wanna sort of find the baskets. I'm happy with that basket though. It seems to work with the grey stripe. Bath and her cute little tapware. Love, love, love. So this bath is actually the previous bath that was in here. So that's not new, but it's still really modern and works well in here. So let me show you my glass-free shower. That little stool, I was thinking it was going to work in here, but it's not. So I don't do towel rails, as I just mentioned. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put a ladder, like a nice little brushed nickel ladder or something, leaning against that wall. Especially if I've got guests, and then they can just hang their towels there, especially dry ones. And if you walk around here, here she is. Here she is. So yeah, so I've only tiled the wall up to the top of the shower, and that was because I wanted to create more light in here rather than being, I think it would have felt very cavey, if it's the right word, if I had tiled all the way up to the ceiling. So I painted all that bright white, as you can tell, to create more light. One thing I love, this is the ABI's tapware as well, even the rain shower head. But what I love is that we have put this tap out away from the shower head so that when you turn the water on, you're not going to get wet. And yes, don't freak out about the fact that this is the length of the shower, right? I will never need a towel mat, a floor mat, unless there is children in here, because the water just does not flow. I've actually dug. Part of the reason that I put the stone floor in is so that it can be a little bit unbalanced. And then we dug it out so that it flows. So when the water drops down, it only really comes to here. And then it just flows back into the drain. It's amazing. The first time I actually used it, I was like, oh my goodness, we did it. So very happy with that. And then I've got my little recess here, which is so handy. I love just having everything away. And as you can see, this is my favorite skincare range. Just a little plug because Joanne, hopefully you're watching this. Why is that not? She makes the most amazing skincare, and if you guys are looking for something, I can highly recommend oil, especially that range. And then I'll just do a little plug with my bathroom products and my razor, because I don't do plastic. I use a reusable one, sorry. I think that's Eco Ever. Yeah. Sorry, Ever Eco. Ta-da. Oh, come on. It doesn't like my phone. Alright. Ever Eco. And then my little organic soap with a little bit of string, because I did have to start that. I didn't want you to see yucky old soap. Right, so the stones on the floor, beautiful, soft, so soft, and you would not know that you were standing on stones. I was worried that they were going to feel hard, but these are really sweet and soft. And then we added the feature up the wall, just to kind of tie everything in a bit. And then I added some pebbles in here, because what happened was when I actually went to buy all of the tiles, they were all discontinued, which was a great idea, which was great because it meant that they were 60% off, but then it meant there was only enough of these ones to do this part of the shower. So the recess got a little bit of a different feature, but still the same color, so I'm happy with that. Yeah, and I've just put this gorgeous trim around there, which is the brushed nickel as well, so it all marries in. I like the finish of that. And then just added a cute little fake plant. I'm not really good at keeping plants alive. I'm also, funnily enough, obsessed with this ceiling light. So it's all-in-one heat, lights and fan, but the fan will come on automatically and it's really quiet. I didn't want those ones that have those big bulbs in them, so it's all very neutral and you hardly even know it's there, especially with the heat lamp. And the heat lamp is just that. So yeah. I'm actually sitting in my bath right now. I wanted to show you my before and after vision. So it's amazing to think that only weeks ago I was looking at this. And now I'm looking at this. See this little feature light up here? I actually put that in, and the main reason I put that in is because I don't do candles, I don't do fragrance. It's another subject I'll talk about later. So this is my ambience when I'm having a bath now. It's actually really hard to try and get this light for you. It's full of little crystals inside. They're just not coming up. Oh, there we go. So it's just really pretty. So anyway, that's my substitute to candle. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you loved my bathroom as much as I did. This has been a very fun but stressful adventure, but I will definitely do it again in the future, I'm sure. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions about my bathroom renovation, please don't hesitate to put them in the comments below, because I'm only too happy to have that conversation with you. So yay me! I've done my very first before and after video, so woohoo! So yeah, if you want other things, let me know, because I really enjoyed making this content for you. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Please don't forget to give my video a thumbs up and even subscribe. That would just help me so much. So love you guys. Thank you so much. See you next week. And you go have an amazing week and do something really fun for you. And then tell me about it. Mwah!